Yeah, I feel like it looks better without that. How are you feeling about this? I have to clean up because the background looking cluttered is gonna make me upset. I cannot help myself when it comes to putting on my Doc Martens. Like, the feeling that they give me is just like no other. These are my pride and joy. Like, they're a little dusty because I haven't worn them in a minute, but with this outfit, I wasn't planning on wearing my hair up, but with this outfit I need to, so now I actually have to do my edges. Edges are as done as they're gonna be, okay? I can't even. I really need to get my hair done. Well, I am getting my hair done. I have an appointment, but I need it to come faster. Okay, I always have to leave one down because I like to play with it, but I'm just trying to, like, you know, roughen it up. Not that much, just a little bit. Maybe have a little curl, giving it some character. The real reason, oh, sorry Alexa, my bad girl. The reason why I wanted to wear something is because I don't really like how the back of the skirt looks. I mean, it's supposed to be like a skirt, but I don't know if I'm feeling the ort part. But whatever. And then also because I had to tie my turtleneck, it looks kind of bulky back there, but somebody's gonna be like, what the fuck? Girl, you got something on your back. It does look really bulky now that I really look at it. I can't help it, whatever. Don't care. Now we've picked bags. When I go thrift shopping, I like a pretty large bag. My bag collection is really growing. Oh my goodness, look at that. But I'm gonna put this over the door thing in my closet because I don't like how cluttered it looks. So yeah, but I could wear this one because it has some brown in it, but it's really big. And I feel like I wear this with pants. I'm gonna do this one though. Yeah, it's pretty cute. Oh, I'm wearing it backwards. This is how this is gonna look. I need to stop. Yeah, let me put some stuff in it so it doesn't look so flat. I'm triggered. Voila. Lip gloss. Be out the frame, be out the frame. Bro, I need to get off of TikTok. That app is literally taking over my whole life. So I'm thinking I should just cut the turtleneck, but I'm also thinking I don't have time because I really want to eat before I go. And my ride is gonna be coming very soon. So I don't think I have time to like take off my whole outfit, cut it, put it back on, then go eat. No, I need to go eat right now. Cheers, babe. It's yogurt, by the way. I could have had cinnamon toast, but I really need some fiber in my life for fiber-related reasons. This is my first time eating this granola. It's really good. The last granola I got was really soft, like it wasn't crunchy. Cutting this was a good decision. I had time to do it, so I did it. I'm glad I cut it because I was kind of looking crazy. Yes, okay, thank you. Good idea. This turtleneck is so long, like it could honestly be a mask if I wanted it to be. Do I want it to be? No. I don't. But anyway, I just fold it in instead of folding it over like how it wants to be, because I feel like it just looks better, you know? And it fits my neck. Like, hello. My neck was not that long. Then for the shoes, I have on these. These are the Black Cat Jordan 4 Black Cats. I think I always say the names backwards, but yeah, they're really cute. Okay, let's go to the thrift store because I spent a lot of time talking, getting dressed, doing what I do, eating, all that stuff. And yeah, we just need to go. Let's go. We're here. I'm gonna get nervous to record. I'm gonna record on my phone in there. Okay guys, so I'm back and I want to show you guys the clothes before the sun goes down. First thing I'm pulling out this bag is this flannel. It's red and gray and I feel like it's gonna go really well with my breads, so that's why I got it. The next thing I got is these pair of pants. They're like cargo pants because they have the pocket on the side. They look like they're gonna fit. I haven't tried any of these things on. I have to wash them, but yeah, the waist looks pretty small and it has these like detailings on them. This must have been some type of work pant because that's kind of what it feels like also. Going on with cargo pants, I got a pair of Dickies pants. And I don't think the waist of these are gonna fit me, but I'm gonna just take it in. I just like the way that the legs of Dickies fit on me. I feel like they're the perfect amount of looseness. Surprisingly, I don't have any black pants, so I had to get them. Obviously, I've been liking the whole cargo style pant because I got these. And the reason why I got these is because I know it's gonna fit me. The waist just looks so small and that's what I need it to look like. This is actually a children's pant, probably the boys, size 10, but they are very, very cropped because they're a child's pant. So I'm gonna cut them basically right under where the pocket ends so I can have some shorts, some jorts. Yeah, that'd be so cute. Next thing, we're going into shirts, I guess. I got this tiny ass tank top that literally is the size of my head. Yeah, I just thought it would be fitted on me, but now that I look at it, it's probably gonna be too small, but I don't know. We'll see. Next thing I have is this t-shirt. It says something about pirates. Let me read it. Good girls go to heaven. Pirate girls go wherever they want. Period. I want to go to heaven, so. But yeah, I thought it was kind of like it's like a graphic that's kind of trendy right now, the style of it, you know what I mean, like Harley Davidson. But of course I'm gonna crop it. So oh my gosh, this shirt was so cute to me. I hope it fits, but it's this little car shirt and I thought this would also go with my breads. I have so many shoes with red in it, so anytime I see red I get red, which is why I have so much red in my closet. But this shirt was really cute and it's in like pretty good quality, so it's gonna fit like a little baby tee on me, like, you know, those type of t-shirt styles that's really popular now. But yeah, even with this skirt it would be cute with like a jacket, like a oversized jacket. Next I have this t-shirt that says Triumph, hello, which is a motorcycle brand on here, and then it also says Triumph. I'm trying really hard to pronounce that correctly. Triumph. This is the next shirt that I got. It's like a kind of like a y2k style shirt, like the Ed Hardy style, and I'm gonna crop it so it's gonna be like short on me. And yeah, it just has roses, wings. It says love on it. Because I feel like the shirts are tacky, but something about the tackiness makes them cute. I really, really like the style of it. And it's this nude color and it has brown contrast stitching, which is very popular right now. Contrast stitching, overlock stitch, which is this. A waffle material, just like the Harley Davidson shirt I had. And I just really love the colors, and it has like a bird in the middle. Yeah. Pretty casual, man. Pretty casual shirt. And this is the last clothing item that I got, and it's a Florida State hoodie. I go to FSU, so that's why I got this. I found two, but I really like this one. The pocket is not attached right here, but I know how to sew, so it's fine, and that's literally a 2-second fix, so I didn't mind that. Yeah, it's a youth large, which is actually what I wear in children sizes, so it's like the perfect size for me. And that's all the clothes. Now I don't know if anyone's interested in seeing the fabric and the blankets that I got. Maybe you guys are, so I'm gonna show you. I get literally any fabric that I own is from the thrift store. Anytime I go to the thrift store, I always make sure to look at the fabrics because you can find some really cool fabrics at the thrift store to make things with. So, and it's very, very inexpensive. So I've been seeing a lot of brown plaid pants, like the fit and flare ones, and I want a pair so bad. So I'm about to make me one. I found this fabric at the thrift store. All I need to do is wash it, and it's enough fabric to make literally, I could probably make 2 pairs of pants if I wanted to out of all of this fabric. It's like a blanket maybe. or maybe a tablecloth, something like that. I think it's a tablecloth, but it's gonna be perfect. It's gonna be literally perfect. So I can't wait to do that. I'm gonna probably do that this week and I'll do a video on it. Ooh, that could be episode 2 of I Like It, I Make It, period. So I started this series on my channel, but I've only posted 1 episode so far, and it's called I Like It, I Make It, and it's basically when I take inspiration from trends or just like clothes that I like and I see online but I don't want to buy it or I can't afford to buy it, so I make it. I like it, I make it, period. So I'm gonna make those pants and I'm gonna use that fabric, and that's gonna be a whole separate video. So if you want to watch that, I suggest you turn on my notifications, because I don't know when I'm gonna post it, but I'm gonna film it this week, so turn on my notifications. I got another blanket because I do make and sell blanket pants. Every time I see like a pretty nice blanket, I just pick it up so that I can post them to my Etsy shop. Right now I'm not selling them because I dropped like 3 days ago and I sold out of 5 of them, so I have to sew those and then I'm gonna post more, because I don't want to just like put a lot of work and pressure on myself, because then everything's gonna be rushed and not as good quality. And yeah, I just want to give myself enough time. My Etsy link will be in the bio. Also, I will be posting updates on my business Instagram, which is at Egypt's Touch. So if you want to get updates on my clothing business, then yeah, follow me there too. Okay, so this is the last thing what am I, Meg the Stallion? Anyway, this is the last thing that I got, and it looks like something that somebody probably crocheted or knitted, or I don't know, but it was nice and cool, so I thought that I could sew this into like a top or something, literally like a simple little top, and maybe even a matching skirt, or I could, ooh, a skirt. I think that's what I'm gonna do with this. I think it'll be enough fabric. That would be a cute skirt. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do with this. This is gonna become a skirt. Okay guys, so that is pretty much it. That's the end of our trip to the thrift store. I think today was a success, and I hope it was a success for you too. I hope you enjoy your time with me, and hopefully we can do this again. I wouldn't mind. Unfortunately, my social meter is at a 0 now, so I must go and recharge. Literally. I don't really know how to explain it, but I just get tired of peopling, and yeah, so thank you. I really enjoyed my time though. Like, that doesn't mean that I don't like you and that I didn't like being here with you. That just means that I've had enough of being with you, but not in a bad way. Sounds kind of bad though. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.